Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the revolutionary Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Is this the smartphone that will leave Samsung in the dust? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the camera. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra boasts the world's first perfect 200x space zoom camera. Imagine capturing stunning details from miles away. This isn't just a feature, it's a game changer. With its 200-megapixel periscope shooter, your photography will reach new heights. Say goodbye to blurry long-distance shots and hello to crystal-clear memories. But what powers this beast? Enter the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. This isn't just another processor, it's a powerhouse designed to handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra promises lightning-fast performance. Can Samsung keep up? The competition just got fiercer. Now, let's talk design. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra isn't just about specs. It's a work of art. With its sleek lines and premium materials, it feels as good as it looks. Plus, the user experience is seamless, making every swipe and tap a joy. It's not just a phone, it's an extension of you. And here's the kicker. Priced at around $800, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra offers flagship features without breaking the bank. In a world where premium smartphones can cost a fortune, Xiaomi is redefining value. Are you ready to